Hi everyone, this is Brad. I'm on Catchy, which is an augmented reality word tile game. So what you do is you take your device, you find the bubble, grab the letter, and then place it into the square. So you can see I just found the word A. So now we're going to go ahead on to a new game. You can see in the bottom left it times you. We're going to say don't laugh right now. We're going to select new game. We're going to pop this bubble. Okay, now you're going to see they're kind of high, so we're going to reach for it. We're going to grab it, come down, there's an X. It's not in the right spot, probably, because not too many words are going to be in with X here. And now where is the other letter? And you can see in the bottom right, there it is, that those are in the wrong place. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this one, we'll move it over in here, we'll take the X here, we'll move it over in here, and we'll take the I. So it is a lot of fun. Just make sure you give yourself enough room. So enjoy, take care, and have a great day. Thanks everybody. Bye-bye.